Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. So in this lecture, we will learn about what is the architecture of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Services and how the layers of in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure are defined or designed. So this is the architecture of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. We have four layers in the Oracle Cloud OCI Architecture Services. So if you see from the bottom to the top, we have like regions, physical networks, virtual networks, and then last layer we have compute, storage, databases, load balancers, etc. So these right. So let's go one by one. So let's see like what is region. Region is a geographic location where your data centers are set up and your data where you have some in each region we have some availability domains. So when what do you mean by availability domain? It's a sub-region in that region. Suppose if you consider, for example, if you say India is a region, in India again we have two sub regions like availability domains, which are like Hyderabad and Mumbai. So these are again the locations within the region, we call it as availability domain. So for every region we will be having three availability domains. So again, within this availability domain, for every availability domain, we have three fault domains. So what do you mean by availability domain? Region is nothing but it's a geographical location like India, or the region may be anywhere like any continent, any country, anywhere in the world. So region, if you see right now we have regions in below locations. If you can see here, right, these are the current regions where the OCA services are hosted. So in India we have Hyderabad and Mumbai. So in the same way we have a lot of uh, regions. So those are, some are commercial, some are government, some are commercial plan. There are different types of regions. So this is overall like how regions look different countries. So here, what is meant by availability domain? Availability domain is a data center location. So what the exact location where like a data center is located within a region is called availability domain. So in some places where the regions are recently created, recently started, they will be having only one development availability domain, but in future you will get another remaining two other availability domains. So for now, for every region you have three availability domains. So available for each and every availability domain we have three fault domain. So what is meant by fault domains? Fault domain is nothing but it's combination of infrastructure like power supply, hardware, software. These all together we call it as a fault domain. So we have three fault domains for each available domain. Well, so why do we need three fault domains? So because in case to provide high availability and services, we need three services. So these are like we have some duplicate, like redundant copies of this hardware, such that right, if one fault domain fails, the other will be surviving. So this is what a region, availability domain, and fault domain. So next layer, if you come right, this is physical network. So what do we have in this layer? We in this layer we will have like lot of ports, network ports connected to each other. Like within this region data centers, right, we have some hundreds and thousands of network ports attached, so that right, the network bandwidth will be very fast. Networking, it's very fast, and there will be no latency in the network. So next is virtual network. Virtual network, in this layer, the networking is completely virtualized and attached to the applications like a database or storage, and these all virtual network. So above virtual network, we have another layer called where the resources are resided. Like here, bare metal servers, virtual machine servers, Exadata systems, database systems, and this block volumes, object storage, load balancers, virtual private network, VPN connectivity, security. These all are hosted in the this Ebo layer. So this is the complete like overall overview, like how the OCI infrastructure services are provided, like in the layer wise. So this is about the OCI services. I believe this gave clear picture of OCI interview like a diagram. So Thank you for attending this session. We will meet in the next lecture.